Hello, coming to you live from StevenBe in Minneapolis as I pack for my upcoming tour. One of my stops I wanted to talk about today is Longmont, Colorado. I can't wait to go. I've never been, so I'm excited for this tour, doing the mountain states and such. So in Longmont, we're gonna have Shawls, Scarves, and Scharves. What's a Scharve? This is a Scharve. It's a combination shawl and scarf that you can wear on those snowy days. All right, and it's glamorous and fun and creative, and we're gonna use 8 different kinds of yarn and have a lot of fun. We're gonna do the wiggle shawl, which is knitting on 15s, which is fun and fast and furious. And of course, the Ponchini, which I've got on, is one of the choices as well. Join me for Scarves, Shawls, and Scharves in Longmont. And then we're gonna do a large group presentation on Legendary, and we're going to address the legendary book that I published a couple years ago with Mama Krista and talk about my tips and tricks. So if you aren't signed up for either one of these, sign up for both and join me in Longmont Yarn Shop. I look forward to it.